boardwalk goes the whole stretch of the river all the way around. I would say it's about a block. It's a good walk, good exercise. You get to see a lot. I usually ride my bike along that bank. And yes, it's close to the river, and if one of those boards give out, boom, I'm gone. But it's so beautiful. I'm willing to take the risk. So many areas you can picnic or just sit out. Of course, that's the water area where the kids like it. Kids like to play in the water. Oh, but I need to get back before it starts to rain on me. Just an average day in Cocoa, Merritt Island. Merritt Island is across that bridge over there. That's where I'm headed back.